Oh no!
It is the end. Did you like that? Oh, what's he done? Come on.
Like there, I'm all over the... Oh, I nearly...
Oh, understeer, come on. Oh! Oh, we donated on the straight. Right, guys, another new venue. We are at Cambridge RC. Lovely Sunday, sunny at the moment day. X-Maxx's. What can go wrong? If you've seen when we last went racing at the Strumpshaw track, we weren't quite good at the jumps. So we've got plenty of them here to try. Let's see what happens. Oh! Come on, should we have a go?
So how many laps? 3?
Yeah.
5?
3. Let's try 3 because I think you'll be ahead of me. But
I seem to have a tyre advantage.
Yes, those tyres. Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh no!
That's it. Oh, I'll wait for you. Come on.
You can go, don't worry. I've got the tyres to catch up, I think.
Don't really want to crash over there because it's a long way. We're doing the oval.
Yeah, oval, yeah.
Here we go.
Oh, honestly, I'm making a right hash of this.
Good man, keep doing it. Oh, a bit nose heavy on the jump. Sorry, nose up on the jump. Oh, hoses on.
Yeah, it's quite slippery on the Astro.
It is slippery. It's a bit damp still. May have cut that corner a little bit. Here we go.
Oh, it's hard to... Oh no! Hit the jump with 2 wheels.
Did you go a bit too fast over that?
No, I hit the jump. I hit it with only 2 wheels. I was nearly missed it altogether. That's what happened. I keep going too inside on that far.
Bit bouncy. I'm over on the boards. Here we go.
You're going to win this one. Is this the last lap?
Yeah.
Oh, one for you then.
I'll take that.
Oh dear.
Should we have another one?
Yeah. Yeah, I really struggled on the back straight. I keep going too inside and missing the whole thing.
What sort's that? Just go faster.
Yeah, I'll try.
Yeah, try that.
Thanks.
Yeah.
And on when I crashed, it was I only hit this. I was straddling the blue.
Yeah, well,
so it just tipped over.
Exactly.
Obviously.
Come on, are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, he's gone for that shot. Oh. He's got a lead now.
Thanks, that's lovely actually.
Yeah.
That's good.
Got to take some more risks now. Catch him up. 2 wheels. That was all over the place. Yeah, he's got this one easy.
It's actually handling pretty good. Oh, I am struggling with alignment and staying on the track.
Yeah.
Like there, I'm all over
the place.
Oh, I nearly rolled it.
My TSM is definitely not doing what it should do.
No?
Don't think so. So I might turn it completely off in a minute.
Is this the end? I think it might be.
It is the end.
That's an interesting finish.
Did you like that?
Yeah.
Sure. Right, another one?
Yeah, decider on the oval then.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh my God.
No! Oh,
body is off.
Shells, come on.
Pause. The walk of shame. This is the problem with no marshals. You've got to pause. There's no way you could keep racing.
Come on then.
Come on then.
Here we go.
All right, we're off.
Oh,
Whoa.
I
see you at the same.
I'm trying the other bit of track, yeah.
No, oh look, they're floating nicely there.
Get the brakes on there, nice tight line around there. Oh, there's a big jump for the blue truck.
Yeah. What? Just clears that, a treat, barely notices it.
Right, come on. Lots of concentration.
I'm just taking it easy now. Trying not to crash on the last lap.
Nicely over that.
All I can hear is your truck. Must be noisy gears.
There we go.
Oh.
What?
Mine has got no drive. The
really?
steering works, but there's no... it just rolled in and just conked out. I think I'll stop recording. Well, actually no. Let's go and see what's going on.
See what the problem is.
Look. Oh, I might have dumped.
No.
Well, that's what I'm. How strange. It had no throttle response at all.
Looks alright to me.
Does look alright now. Just check for flashing lights. None.
Well, you won't have any flashing lights, so it wouldn't work.
The motor's warm. Nothing's too crazy.
3, 2, 1, go!
I knew that was. I could see it coming.
What's he done? Come on!
But I didn't lift. I'd like to say I didn't
lift. Good boy.
I saw it coming and just kept going anyway.
Sometimes it pulls itself
This
out.
is so slippery, even on these tyres.
Ooh, nice little jump. Here we go. Mickey Mouse bit. This is difficult. On the brakes. Oh, look like he's going to run into the back of me. Right, kick a jump.
You were right in the way, so I had to just take it easy. I didn't want to jump over you.
Oh, no.
Oh, I can try if you want.
Oh, you can try. I don't think it will.
I don't think it's going to.
Give it a go, but I will start the walk. Couldn't be any further away, could it?
No. Done it.
Nice one. I'll try not to do it again.
Right then.
Go on then.
I'm in the lead.
What can we do here?
Nice. That was good.
Yeah, I sort of, something came off. I don't know if the
Yeah,
ramp
there
or
was-
my truck.
Maybe a body protector has.
Oh! Oh, we donated on the straight.
I'll just keep going. A little bit slower.
I've got a fly attack in the air. Oh, it wanted to go over. I think probably my front suspension's too soft.
Maybe you lost part of your shock.
Could have. I think it probably has still got some gremlins from when I went front wheel drive.
Oh God. Oh, you got rid of that video as well.
Yeah. There we go.
I feel like I should just stop because this is a bit processional.
Oh, this is awful.
Do you want me to try?
No, okay. We can if you want, but...
I mean, it worked last time,
Go
so
on, then.
you probably should.
Precision driving.
Yeah.
Didn't work that time.
Well, you've got nothing to lose, have you? 'Cause oh, blimey.
Ow! Oh.
You right? Did you twist your ankle? Carry on again.
Oh, it is a bit of a carry on. Come on then.
Yeah, right, let's go. One more lap, I think.
Things you catch the edge of a bit of tougher grass and it don't
Yeah,
like
that's
it.
the problem with any bump, isn't it? You could just catch it wrong. Something sounds a bit crunchy.
Ah, it's always the way. Here we go, right. Mickey Mouse corner. Turn in, turn in. Oh, understeer, come on.
Don't. Come on
I
now.
will try. No, yours is a bit wider, isn't it?
Yeah. My steering's off. The hell? I've got no steering.
So guys, we couldn't leave it like that, could we? What did we learn
Like that, and what
today? Well, we learned I fall over very easily. Yes, it actually did hurt, twisted my ankle, but we're okay now. What happened to the blue truck? Well,
The
understood. Come on.
turnbuckle came apart from the servo to the steering buckles, or to the steering bell cranks.
Oh, we donated
It
on
was
the
a standard, I
straight.
think it was a standard Traxxas adjustable one, simple fix, but we couldn't do it on the day.
What's
So,
he done? Come
that was
on.
all it was, but it put the truck
It is
out of
the
action.
Did you like